Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura, and today we're going to go over a staple of Lindy Hop, a huge fundamental move, side passes.
Also known as change places.
Rhythm stimulates me. I can't help but swing a boy. Swing, brother, swing.
Side passes are super versatile and they come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes and handholds. To my understanding, there are only two real rules. One, has to be 6 counts. 2, it goes in a straight line, so the lead and follow switch places by the end. In this video, I'll be leading and my good friend Cari will be following.
How cute are we? Shut up! Who is who?
But first, Patreon. Thank you, people of Patreon, for helping to make this video free for everyone in the world, including people like you. If you want to help them out, it's a voluntary subscription and the link is in the description.
Side passes are a basic 6-count move, so they have the basic 6-count rhythm with the leader starting on the left and followers on the right. Step, step, triple step, triple step, 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 triple step, triple step, 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 triple step, triple step, 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 triple step, triple step. If you need more time with that, there's a video linked in the description.
Now, because side passes are such a fundamental move and there are so many different ways of doing it, I'm not even really sure which one of them is the basic, so I'm just going to show you a few of the most common side passes.
Deep rhythm captivates me. Hot rhythm stimulates me. Can't help but swing it, boy. Swing it, brother, swing. Don't stop, do diddle daddle, and stop this foolish prattle. Come on, swing me, boys. Swing it, brother, swing. Reverend to go, and ain't nobody gonna hold me down. Say, listen, boy, hurry up and send me, let me go to town. Stop things, diddle daddle, and all this foolish prattle. Come on and kill me, boys. Swing it, brother, swing.
Quick orientation of this move, side passes are named for the side of the leader that the follower passes on. So for example, in a right side pass, the follow passes on the leader's right side. Left side pass, Cari passes on my left side. Tricky note, my right side is different depending on which side of the room I'm facing. Now let's talk technique. Just like in every move, in the side pass, I'm trying to lead a straight line, so Cari is going down that line. They aren't trying to go around me. Check out that line. So straight. Now check out Cari's pace. For their linear pace, there's not a pause between triple steps. The side pass is one continuous motion down the line until Cari finally feels like I've caught them. For their rotational momentum, again, it's nice and steady. Cari isn't suddenly turning around to face me. They get around just in time, no rush. At the end of the side pass, Cari isn't square. They continue to rotate, triple stepping down the line on their left hip. As a leader, I need to decide ahead of time on which side of me I want Cari to pass, and then make room. You can check out my rock step in each of these side passes. Even if it's just a little, you can tell I've already decided which side of me Cari's gonna pass. Now, I don't necessarily think about getting out of the way, though sometimes I do depending on the side pass. More frequently, I think about turning my body to match the rate of Cari's turn. You can see at the moment of pass, Cari and I are both sideways, making a tight line, no wasted energy, nice and efficient. Even as a shorter lead, I can still reach all the way across Cari's head to make their direction clear. What I do as a leader is I always try to keep my end goal in mind because that's going to drastically change how I move through the movement.
For any side pass with a turn, I find it easiest if the lead first leads the direction and then leads the turn. By then, the follow is moving, so lifting the arm should be nice and light and easy. Direction first, then turn.
Now, if you know me in my dancing, you know I am passionate about swivels. So as a follow, I really want the clarity of, do I have support to swivel or do I not? And will I rock step instead? They're both good. I love them both, but I want to know. So as a lead, I try to give Cari that information early enough where they can react. See if you can tell if Cari's about to swivel or step forward or if they're about to rock step backwards. I use my proximity as a big way to communicate. When I'm asking Cari to rock step, I'm very close to them, so they can see that I'm too close to comfortably change their direction. I'm asking them to continue backwards. When I'm asking Cari to swivel or move forwards, I back up on that triple step. Now you can see I'm too far away to comfortably ask for a rock step. The tension in our arms is building, giving Cari the support for swivels. Let's talk move-specific technique. On a basic level, is there a turn and who's turning? Whomever is turning gets the hand. I'm turning, I get the hand. Cari's turning, Cari gets the hand. Follows, when you turn, it should feel like you're just walking under your own hand. See how the hand is all the way over on the opposite side of Cari's head? The turn should be convenient. If you feel like you have to lean over to get it, it's probably a leader turn. And now, even more specific technique. For the right side pass from cross hand, it's a free turn, so I want to be extra clear. I hold on to Cari's hand until it's inconvenient to hold it. I want to give them a lot of follow through. My hand follows the pace of my shoulders turning, so it's nice and even. If it's too fast, it's a 4-count turn, which is a cool move, but not one we're doing right now. Same thing with this left side pass. I'm using the rotation of my shoulders to the left to be the lead. The good news about side passes is they are so basic, you probably can't do it wrong. If you do 6 counts and you switch places and nobody gets hurt, it's probably already a move. So think about what you haven't done, try to do it. Leader spinning, follow spinning.
This hand, that hand, cross hand, other cross hand, 2 hands, double cross hand, other double cross hand.
Just have at it with the spirit that this is fun for 2. Now, because the side pass is such a basic move, you can use it to build all kinds of different movement variations. Now, these movement variations on a side pass can get so fancy, but as a follow, the most important thing I think about is the fact that it's still a side pass. You still want really consistent linear momentum, really consistent rotational momentum. You still want to continue down the line until you feel like you're caught. All the classics. And now here's a bonanza of all the side passes Cari and I could think of. Now we're not going to teach all these. Good gosh, it would take forever. But it gives you an idea of what can be done if you're particularly intrepid. Feel free to use that gear icon on the lower right to slow things down. Learn at your own pace.
Start with the right side pass. If I don't move, we go into closed position. Add a turn by lifting the arm, same move, new closed position. Cross hand free turn. Bam, closed position again. I loop the arm around Cari's shoulder for a new position. I go under my own arm for a they go, they go. And I move to Cari's side to go into something else.
Hot rhythm stimulates me. Can't help but swing it, boy.
These side passes work on either side.
Don't stop to
I go under the arm,
and stop this foolish prattle.
Cari goes under the arm.
Swing me, boys. Swing it, brother, swing.
Now let's riff on the left side pass.
Round the go, and ain't
Lift the arm for a turn.
me down. Take this
Switch hands, same side.
fence and let me go to town.
Cari turns the other direction, it's a barrel turn.
And all this
I turn, it's this thing.
come on and kill me, boys. Swing it, brother, swing.
You can see sometimes on these side passes, especially the fancy ones, I'm not sticking to basic 6-count rhythm. Because sometimes for me, doing something else helps me feel like I'm dancing it more. Try it out on your body. What does your body want to do? As long as it completes a 6-count clearly, you got it. Another great thing about side passes is that since it's such a simple move, it is a great playground for personal unled variations for both the leader and the follower. Again, 6-count, get to the other side as evenly as you can. What rhythm do you want to do? Here are some random examples, and if you want a breakdown, I'm going to put it on my Patreon.
Probably the most famous side pass variation is the mini dip. Cari can do it without me. I can do it without Cari. But there are a ton of others. Here are some leader variations I made up.
Hot rhythm stimulates me. Can't help but swing it, boy. Swing it, brother, swing. Don't stop to diddle daddle and stop this foolish prattle. Come on, swing me, boys. Swing it, brother, swing.
And here's a Frankie Manning classic. And now here are some follow variations with me as the follow and my friend Sean Vitale as the lead.
Listen, boy, hurry up and send me, let me go to town. Stop things, diddle daddle, and all this foolish prattle. Come on and kill me, boys. Swing it, brother, swing.
And here's that classic Frankie Manning variation.
What I enjoy doing as a leader is not necessarily the same as what I enjoy doing as a follower, so it's just going to involve some homework. Get out on the dance floor, figure out what you want to do. I hope you had fun and learned a lot, and if you did, click like and subscribe and comment and all the YouTube algorithm stuff. If you like the music, it's the Prumo Orchestra, and you can find a link to it in the description, and half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art to honor the founders of Lindy Hop. And the best way to learn how to dance is to dance. I'm serious, you guys, you gotta go out and do it.